Feeling drained and constantly reaching for that extra coffee? What if I told you the answer to boundless energy isn't in a supplement, but in your grandma's kitchen? Join me as we reveal the ancient, delicious recipes and traditional techniques that gave my own grandmother an unfair advantage when it came to staying vibrant and full of life. At 90, my grandma still outdances me. What's her secret? It's all in her ancient recipes. Our journey begins each morning with her sunrise sip, a daily ritual. This elixir features ginger, known for supporting digestion and circulation, lemon for its alkaline forming effect and vitamin C, and honey, a natural sweetener with antioxidants. We also add yerba mate, which provides a smoother energy lift compared to coffee, thanks to its nutrients, antioxidants, and amino acids. Let's see how it's made. As the sun sets, Grandma prepares her final secret, a brew for profound rest and overnight restoration. This calm and restore brew includes chamomile, which contains a pigeonine, an antioxidant that binds to brain receptors to reduce anxiety and promote sleepiness. Lavender is also key, interacting with the limbic system to lower heart rate and cortisol levels, inducing calm. These ingredients, rooted in traditional wisdom, align perfectly with modern understanding of sleep and energy cycles, promoting cellular repair as you rest. It's not just 3 recipes, it's a complete lifestyle transformation. We encourage you to try these recipes and share your own experiences with us. And stay tuned because there are many more of Grandma's secrets yet to come.